Yusuf Demir is an Austrian professional footballer. He was born on June 2, 2003 in Vienna, Austria. He is a youth international for Austria. He debuted for the senior Austrian national football team in a 3-1 2020 FIFA World Cup qualifications win over Faroe Islands on 28 March 2021. Yusuf Demir is a regular within the Austrian youth teams, playing with older players than him. For Austria U15 in 8 appearances, he picked up 10 goals, while for Austria U17 he picked up 9 goals and 1 assist in 14 games. Yusuf was a crucial player in the UEFA Euro U21 qualifying phase, scoring against Estonia and assisting another one in the 2-0 win. Yusuf Demir is a left-footed winger or an attacking midfielder that can play behind the main striker. Yusuf started playing football at the age of 7 in his hometown club First Vienna FC. In July 2021, Barcelona B announced the signing of Demir on a season-long loan from Rapid Wien for 5 lakh euro with an option to make the move permanent in the future for a further 10 million euro. On 22 August 2021, Yusuf Demir became the longest foreign player to feature for Barcelona in La Liga since Lionel Messi. He replaced Martin Braithwaite shortly after the hour mark of the Blaugrana's 1-1 draw with the Athletic Club. He has subsequently been part of the Blaugrana squad for their pre-season friendlies ahead of the new La Liga campaign and even scored against Stuttgart. He is left-footed and one of his heroes is apparently Lionel Messi. So the inevitably unfair comparisons have already started, with Demir also a talented dribbler as well as goal scorer. In January 2019, Demir made a big impression in one of the biggest U19 youth tournaments in Germany. Eventually, he was named as the player of the tournament despite being 15 years old age. On 26 May 2019, Demir signed a professional contract with the SK Rapid Wien. Demir made his professional debut with Rapid Wien in a 3-0 Austrian football Bundesliga win over Admira on 14 December 2019. On 15 December 2020, Demir scored a goal for Rapid Wien in 1-2 defeat against Gent in the 2020-21 UEFA Champions League third qualifying round. At 17 years, 3 months and 13 days old, to become the youngest Austrian scorer since Gerd Wimmer in 1994, aged 17 years, 10 months and 27 days. He likes to cut inside and be that number 10 for the team, creating chances or change up the play with this passing ability. Yusuf flourishes when he has open space. He is a dangerous threat in the counter-attacks with his speed and acceleration. However, he also can break down low blocks with his creativity and ability on the ball. Demir is a tempo controller who can influence the game with his vertical passing ability to find an opening in the opponent's defense.